CQB Russian. I'm about to upgrade my inner barrel, hop up and backing with the R8 Tech. This barrel is 370 millimeter for upgrades, or if you need to work on your LM4 KWA. First thing we gotta do is take the rail off. Is push the pin on the back out, push the front one, so that way you can take it in two pieces. You don't have to be working on all the gun, so that way you just work with the upper. Okay, take the ball, charging handle out. Now we're gonna start taking the rail so we can take the hop up out. So to take this off, we already take the clip out, we push this back, then we turn this until you can see the hop up arm. Then you push this back, and then you will have to take the clips that goes in here with the lock. Once we take the lock and the hop up arm, we move this cylinder back, and then you can take the backing off, and then just take everything out, because this is the part we're gonna use for the other one. So okay, so now we're gonna have to go and do the groove for the O-ring, so we don't have no problems with the barrel moving. Okay, so we get a marker, we put it next to each other, and then just mark it. Now we just gotta do the groove. Be sure to do this so your barrel doesn't move too much, because this one is original for a longer outer barrel, so it has it all the way over here. So it's just to be sure. Okay, so you're just gonna use a file. Remember, it's just for the little O-ring to sit on it. If you have a Dremel, you can probably do it with it. Okay, so we finished the groove. Remember, it's just to hold the O-ring. Okay, so we finished the groove, and then we put the O-ring on it. Remember, this is just to hold it so the barrel doesn't bounce inside the outer barrel. So now we gotta put everything back together. Barrel. Same way you just take it off, just backwards. And we're ready to go. So now we put it in the inner barrel. The inner barrel, we put it on the outer barrel. They just kind of line up. That's the way it looks. Now we have to tie this back. Right. So it's all done. And then we just gotta put everything back together the way it was. And we set it. Barrel doesn't move. Thanks to the seal that we put back in there, the O-ring. already take inner barrel, hop up, backing, and we're all set to go. Another thing I recommend is take it when you're gonna adjust the hop up. Take the upper off, put your key on it, then hold it like this, and then just twist it a little bit. So that way you don't mess up the teeth on the hop up. So, okay, we're putting everything back. We already put the inner barrel, put it in my rail system. This used to be the CQB version, so you see how much the barrel comes out. But once I put the silencer, it's gonna cover it. You're not gonna be able to tell how far my barrel comes out. So the barrels are right there. Okay, and we're done.